Hello everyone, this is a video about how to do some basic operations to fractions on the TI Nspire CX CAS student software. Now for the further demonstration, I will always use the math template here, which is a fraction template, but although you can also use the dividing things that always been used in most other places. In the first demonstration, I'm going to make this fraction to its lowest form. In this case, you just need to press enter and it will do it for you. But in some other cases, I may want to get its decimal approximation. In this case, instead of pressing enter, you can press Ctrl. While holding Ctrl, press enter. That will give the decimal approximation. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you everyone.